Here is our second board to do with hydrogen. We've got a tank with a special sealed compartment in the middle and the cathode of a circuit underneath, so the hydrogen that comes off this cathode is trapped in the tank. And we can see the level just under all this rather nasty black stuff, which is some of the carbon rod that's come off. So we've got in that some hydrogen. And it's being powered by a 12-volt supply, and it's taking about 1.3 amps at the moment to generate the amount of hydrogen that we've got coming off. Now on the side here we've got something very special called a fuel cell, and what this will do is it can convert the hydrogen back into electrical energy. It's how in space they create electricity if they haven't got solar panels, for example. They can take rocket fuel, pass it across some special metal plates that you've got in the cell, and it will generate power. Now I've got this linked up to an ammeter and a 100 ohm resistor, because the amount of power we're going to generate is so small that it can't be picked up by the other board. Now it's reading 0 at the moment because there's no flow of hydrogen across it. But if I open this tap up, we can see that this is going up to just over 3 milliamps. And the level of hydrogen in the tank will actually start to climb up very quickly. It's gone down to 2 milliamps. Now across a 100 ohm resistor, that means we're generating something like half a milliwatt of power, which is not very impressive, but it is just an example of a fuel cell, and bigger fuel cells which are made commercially are much more efficient, because here we're pumping in something like 15 watts of power and we're getting less than 1 milliwatt of power out. And I'm going to have to turn that off in a minute because we're going to run out of hydrogen. But it is showing us that we can create hydrogen from electricity, store the hydrogen, and then convert it back. And this is how hydrogen cars work.